Hello and welcome back to SciTi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple DIY headlight glasses with using a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need: a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery clip, a 12-volt LED strip, and some party glasses. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project and let's get started. First, I'm going to take this LED strip, and what I need to do is solder tin the positive and negative terminals. Take the 9-volt battery clip, solder the positive to positive, the negative to negative, and now let's go test it out with the 9-volt battery. And there, as you can see, the LEDs light up. And there, the circuit is now complete. Next, I need to modify these party glasses. What I need to do is cut off these front parts. Doing this will make it easier to see through. Although, you can keep them on there, which is also an option. And there, it should look just like this. Next, take the LED strip, and now remove the protective paper to reveal the sticky adhesive. And there we go, and now take the LED strip and stick them to the party glasses. Make sure you place it perfectly in the center because you can only place it on there one time, otherwise the sticky adhesive won't stick anymore. Place it on, press it on firmly. Bend this side a little bit to make it look a little nicer. And there, it should look just like this. Next, take the 9-volt battery and some duct tape. Cut off a piece of duct tape, place it onto the battery, and now attach it to the party glasses. Bend over the tape so that way everything is holding into place, and there, the 9-volt battery is stuck in place. Add some more duct tape, make this look a little better. And there, that is now attached. And now plug in the 9-volt battery clip. And there, as you can see, the LEDs light up, and it works just like this. And there, the project is now complete. Let's go ahead and test it out. And now it's time to try it on. And there, a little heavy on this side, but overall works. I can see through very well and comfortable. Now, let's go ahead and plug it in. Just simply take the 9-volt battery, plug it on the side, and there, as you can see, it works. It lights up very bright. Oh, you know what? If I look at this in the camera, I kind of look like Cyclops, but with a white light instead of a red light. That's kind of cool. And as you can see, it works very well. Makes my eyes, or the light, very bright. Yeah, if I'm holding my hands like this, I can see that it lights up very well. Very nice. Yeah, this is pretty good. I need to try this in the dark. And there, as you can see, this works very well. Wow, I can't believe how well this works. I can actually see the whole room lit up very well. This is amazing. This works well. I can see everything around me extremely well and very clear. Very nice. Now let's see what I see. Me holding this camera right next to my face. This is how bright everything is. This is what I see. As you can see, this works very well. Okay, so I'm standing outside, same thing. Everything looks very bright. Although, unfortunately, with this camera, it's not picking up what I can see. I can see a lot better in the dark than the camera can. But overall, these are very bright, much brighter in person than they are on camera. I mean, I can see everything very clearly. I can see where I'm going, and I can see all the objects around me. This works very well. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a very simple DIY headlight glasses with using a few simple parts. Thank you for watching SciTech Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future SciTech Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.